Okay, good morning children. In last class we studied we solved the exercise number, that is exercise number 1.3, yes, or sorry, 1.2, right? 1.2, the first main finished, and after that second main also finished. That is a write the place value of a 2 in each of the following. We did that one, right? In first one, that is a 2 crore, and in second one, that is a 2 lakh, next 20 crore and 2 crore again. So that is the place value of a 2 in each of the following. I given that is a homework, this one and this one I had given a homework, right? So I hope everyone done your homework. Okay, we'll begin with this third main now. Everyone know, right, what are the expanded form and what are the systems? Number system, place value chart, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, after that crore, 10 crore. This is the place value chart, that is the Indian system of a numeration. We studied now Indian system of a numeration, and we are solving the exercise number 1.2, that is in a third main. Third main we are studying here. So we'll go for the further, that is third main 1.2, third main. Rewrite the numbers by using a commas and write their number names. Rewrite the numbers and by using a commas. Okay, how to use a commas? I told how to use the commas here. Okay, according to the Indian system, we have to use the comma. First 3 numbers, after that 2 numbers. Okay, so next, and write their number names. Okay, they in front of a number they given a 2 boxes here. See, in front of a number they given a 1 box and another 1 box. Okay, 2 box they given here. In 1 box we have to write the number only, and we have to put the comma for that in first box. In second box we have to write the number name of that number. Number name how to write here. Okay, so I will tell now. That is the first one, 8th one. What they given? 8, 9, 3, 2, 5, 4, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the number they given here. So here 1 box is there, and here 1 more box is there. Okay, so in this you have to write this number only using the commas, and in this box you have to write the number name. Getting everyone? So I just, here I have no place, so that's why I am writing below this one, that is here write a number, that is 8, 9, 3, 2, 5, 4, 2, 3. And first we have to put a comma for the 3 numbers. Here 3 numbers, put a comma. Next 2 numbers. Okay. So read ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and here lakh, 10 lakh, here crore. Means what is the number name of this number? 8 crore 93 lakh 25,423. 8 crore 93,000 for 93 lakh 25,423. Right here. 8 crore 93 lakh 25,423. Okay, so 8 crore 93 lakh 25,423. 8 crore 93 lakh 25,423. This is the number name. Okay, so like this we have to write for every number. For every number you have to write the number name as well as the using the commas you have to write the number once again in that box. Okay, so second one we'll do another one. You will get an idea. 53912643. Okay. So how to write this number? First, after 3 digits, next 2 digits. That is the 5 crore 39 lakh 643. Okay, so 5 crore 39 lakh 12,643. 5 crore 39 lakh 12,643. This is the number name and this is the number. Using a commas, you have to write like this. Getting everyone? Another 2 you have to do it in your home. Okay, yourself you have to do. That is the C one and D one. You will do it yourself. Okay, I showed 2 as an example. Another 2 you have to do. Okay, it's an easy one. So next we'll go for the fourth main. That is a write in the expanded form. You have to write it in a expanded form. How to write the expanded form? I told in the beginning class only how to write that expanded form. Hope everyone know that how to write that one. Still, I will tell. Okay, don't worry about that. That is the fourth main. We have to write the expanded form. Expanded form. Okay. First 8th one. What is the 8th one question? 1 crore 39 lakh 7,652. So how to write the expanded form? See, here 1 is there. 1 is in a which place? That is in a crore place. So crore have how many zeros here? How many zeros? 3, 5, 5 to 7. 7 zeros. The crore having a 7 zeros. 10 crore having a 8 zeros. So please keep it in that mind. So 1 is in here 1 crore. So that's why we have to put how many zeros here? 7 zeros. Because crore having a 7 zeros. So write here 7 zeros. Okay. Next. 10 lakh is having a 6 zeros. So write here 6 zeros. Next 9 lakh means 5 zeros. Plus here in 10,000 0 is there, just write a 0 only. Okay. After that in 1000 place 7 is there. So write here for 1000 there will be a 3 zeros. Next 600 plus 50 plus 2. See here 1 crore plus 30 lakh plus 9 lakh plus 0 here and next plus 7,000 here 600 plus 50 plus 2. So this is the expanded form. Okay, 1 crore here 30 lakh and 9 lakh 0 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 2. So this is the expanded form of this given number. This is the expanded form of this given number. Okay. One more I do. You come to know that. Okay. That is a 34 crore 9 lakh 87,126. Okay. So here 34 crores means that is a 30 crore. That is the having the 8 zeros. Next 4 crore means 7 zeros. Here 0 is there in 10 lakh place. Write a 0 only. And 9 lakh. 9 lakh means how many zeros? 5 zeros. Next 8. 87,000 means 80,000. That is the 4 zeros. Plus 7,000 means 3 zeros. Plus 100 plus 20 plus 6. Okay, so 30 crore plus 4 crore plus 0 plus 9 lakh plus 80,000 and plus 7,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 6. This is the expanded form of this given number. The number is 34 crore 9 lakh 87,126. Okay, so this is the expanded form of this given number. This is the way we have to write. If they ask to write a expanded form of a number, then you have to write like this. Okay, we'll move for the next fifth question, that is in 1.2, that is the fifth main. Write a standard form. You have to write the standard form here. First one they given here, 8th one. Plus next plus 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 1 is equal to what? Okay, so just you have to count the first how many zeros are there. On the based on the zeros you can find that number is in a which place value. Okay, so in that 1 is there, just write down in ones place 1 is there. Okay, because in ones place there will be a no zeros. Next, in the tens place, how many zeros? 1 zeros. Any number having a 1 zero here? No. In the tens place, the value is 0. In 100, any number having a 2 zeros? 2 zero number is here? No. So, write here a 0. And any number having a 3 zeros? Yes, 2. Right. Next, any number having a 4 zeros? Yes, 6. 5 zeros? No. So, write here 0. Next 6 zeros, 9 is there. 7 zeros, here 3. So what is the number? It is 3 crore plus 90 lakh 62,001. 3 crore 90 lakh 62,001. This is the number. Depend on the zeros, we have to write the number here. Okay, so that's why please be thorough with the place value chart. How many zeros are for the crore, how many zeros for the 10 crore and lakh, 10 lakh, 1000, 10,000, 100, 10. Everything have to thorough with that. Okay, you have confidence in that, right? So then only you can solve these problems. Otherwise it's a very difficult. If you know how many zeros for the crore and 10 crore, then only you can recognize that is the values in which place. Otherwise, how will you write this number? It's a very difficult. Okay. So, if they given a number and it is easy to write a expanded form. But if they given a expanded form, then writing a number is a little bit it is a difficult, because if you know the place value chart and this number of zeros for every place values, then you can write this number. If you don't know the place value chart properly, then you can't write this one number. Okay, so that's why practice that place value chart and once more see that. Okay, so next beat one is the given. I'll solve beat one here, that is 9 crores plus 4 10,000s, 4 10,000s plus 2,000s plus 600s plus 2 tens plus 8 ones. Okay. So how many ones are there? 8. Tens 2. Hundreds 6. Thousands 2. 10,000s 4. Next lakh no value. 10 lakh no value. Crore 9 is there. Okay. So this is the number. 9 crore 42,628. The number is like this. Getting everyone? I hope everyone are getting. Okay, because it's a very easy, no? You already did in your last class only, but in your last class they given a up to only lakh. But here there will be a crore values there. Two more place values are extended here. Okay, nothing to worry that. Up to lakh you know everything, right? So after that crore and 10 crore. That is the difference is there. Getting everyone? Okay. We'll go for the next, that is we completed exercise number 1.2 we completed now. So next is the international place value chart. Okay. What is there in a international system of enumeration? We'll study now that one. Okay. Fine. I'll write both the chart, okay? Because if you understand the difference between these two, Indian system as well as the international system, then you come to know that, okay? What is the difference is there and how you will understand clearly. Otherwise, it's a difficult to understand that. So just I write both the systems. This here is a Indian system and here is a international system. Okay. In the Indian system also here ones is there, next thousands, and after that lakhs, and here crores. Okay. And again here two more, here three more categories are there. Here two, and here also two, and here also two. Here ones means here ones, tens, hundreds. Right? So here thousands and here 10,000s and here lakh and 10 lakh. Crore, 10 crore. Okay, this is a Indian system of enumeration, and here I am going to write the international system of enumeration. Okay. So it is also having a ones here and thousands and here millions. And again ones, three values, thousands also three values, here also three values. So here ones, tens, hundreds, okay. Next here thousand, 10,000, and here 100,000, 100,000. Okay, after that million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, so this is the number. I'll write here one number. Take one example. Here 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Yes. Okay. So this is a India. According to the Indian system, we can write like this. 2 and here 9 and 8, here 7 and here 6, next 5, 3. Okay. Then here is a international system. Same number I am taking. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 8, 1. In according to the Indian system, we can put a comma first after 3 digits and next two digits we have to take according to the Indian system of enumeration. But according to the international system of enumeration, we can take a comma for 3 numbers. Every number we have to take a 3 numbers only. See here. So first 3 numbers after 3. Like that only we have to take here. Last 281 is the right. So write here 281. Next here 9, 8, 7. Next here 6, 5, 3. Okay. So in the international system we are putting a comma for every 3 digits number. But in Indian system, starting with the 3, after that 2 numbers. Okay, starting with the 3 digits only. It will first we have to put the comma after 3 digits. Next we'll continue with the 2 numbers. But in international system of enumeration, all are 3 digits here. 281, here 789 and here 356. Like that we have to, okay, do that one. See here, in the international system of numeration, ones is there, thousands is there. What is the difference? In Indian system also ones, thousands is there. And here in Indian system we are having the lakh as well as the crores. Crores and lakhs we are having in the Indian system of enumeration. But in international system of enumeration, instead of a lakh and crore, we are having a millions here. Getting everyone? Instead of having a lakhs and crore, we are having here millions in the international system of enumeration. That is the biggest difference here. Okay? In international system, for lakh and crores, we can call as it is a millions. In Indian, we call it as a lakh or crore. Okay? Same, ones, tens, hundreds. Here, thousands, 10,000s is there. Next here having a 100,000s, but Indian system does not contain the 100,000. Instead of taking a 100,000, we can call it as a lakh. Okay, so this is nothing but a what here? 100,000 is nothing but a lakh only. 100,000 is equal to what? Lakh. In Indian system, we can call 100,000 as a lakh. Okay, next here million is there. Million means what here? Million means 10 lakh. Right here. Million means 10 lakh in Indian system of enumeration. Next, 10 million means this TM is nothing but the 10 million. Okay, please go through that. 10 million. M means million. Here I don't have a space, so I written only M here. So that is a 10 million and this is a 100 million. H means 100. Okay. So 10 million. 10 million means what here? That is a crore. 1 crore. 10 million is nothing but a crore value. Next 100 million is nothing but a what? 10 crore. Okay. Got the difference everyone here? See, once again I am telling, please be thorough with these placed value charts, then only you can read and write the numbers, otherwise it's a very difficult. Okay, so according to the Indian system of enumeration, here ones, thousands, lakhs and crores are there, and according to the international system of enumeration, ones, thousands, millions are there. Okay, instead of taking a lakhs and crore, here we are taking a millions. That is the difference. Okay, in international, in India, both. What is the difference between both those two? Here having in international we are having a million. In Indian we are having a lakhs and crores. Lakhs and crores, but here we are having a millions. Okay. So I told here 100,000 is there here in international system of enumeration. 100,000 is nothing but a what here in Indian system? That is a lakh. 100,000 is nothing but a 1 lakh. Next, million. What is the value of million here? Million is nothing but a 10 lakh. Next, 10 million is equal to what? 10 million is equal to a crore value. Next, 100 million is equal to what? 10 crore value. Getting everyone? So this is called as the international system of enumeration, and here is a Indian system of enumeration. I hope everyone know the Indian system of enumeration. Once again I am explaining here. See, first we are having a ones, next tens, here hundreds, after that thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Okay. So even I written one number here, that is after 3 digits. It will start with the 3 digits only. So in the beginning we put a comma after 3 digits. After that for two numbers you have to put the comma according to the Indian system of numeration. Read that number, that is a 35 crore 67 lakh 89,281. So 35 crore 67 lakh 89,281, like this. Okay, and here this is the international system of numeration. In this we are having a ones, thousands and millions, starting with the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. Getting ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, in Indian system of numeration, ones, tens, thousands, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, according to the Indian system of numeration. And now according to the international system of numeration, there will be a ones, tens, hundreds, after that thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, and after that 100 million. Getting everyone? So this is the way we have to write the international system of numeration. And how to read? See here, in the international system of numeration, we have to put the comma for every 3 digits number. Okay, after 3 digits number you have to put the comma in the international system of numeration. There will be a difference between an Indian as well as the international. Please keep it in your mind. Okay. So here after 3 digits we have to put the comma. For every 3 numbers we have to put the comma in an international system of numeration. Okay. How to read this one number? See here. 356 is there, right? So 356 millions 789,281. Here millions is there, right? So 356 millions 789,281. Getting everyone? 356 millions 789,281. 356 millions 789,281. Getting everyone? This is the number. How to read this number? 356. 3 digits you have to take. Okay. If there will be a no 3 digits, only 2 digits are there in last. Okay. Then you can say 56 million, like that. But here we are having all 3 numbers. So just read here. That is a 356 millions and 789,281. 356 millions 789,281 ones. Okay, so this is the Indian system of numeration and this is the international system of numeration. This is already we studied in our last class only. Still I told because to get the difference of those two. Okay, what is the difference between the Indian as well as the international? For that I written once again this one, Indian system of numeration. Okay, so I hope everyone are getting what is the difference is there. Even I written on the board here, 100,000 is equal to lakh and 1 million is equal to 10 lakh and 10 million is equal to crore. After that 100 million is equal to 10 crore. So this is the difference here, nothing but 100 here, 100,000 is nothing but here lakh. And here 1 million is nothing but here 1 crore. And here 10 million is nothing but what? Crore. And 100 million is nothing but what? 10 crore. That is the difference is there. Okay. So please go through this one. Once again practice this one. Write this international system of numeration and Indian system of numeration 5 times. That is a homework for you. Okay. And 1.2 from the 3rd main to 5th main, write it in a HW. After that, these we have to write 5 times in a HW. In a HW you have to write, not CW. Okay. So that is the homework for you. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you everyone.